During the 1980s, India was in dire need of high-end technology for which it often looked towards the West. Now, the US did agree to help India, but they were extremely insecure of India's true potential. While India needed a supercomputer for research into weather patterns, the US actually feared that India might just use the American supercomputer known as Cray to develop missiles and nuclear weapons instead, and the US only offered second-rate technology to India thereafter. Now, this is when India took it upon itself to make its own indigenous supercomputer. And India set up CDAC, which was the Center of Development of Advanced Computing, in 1988. And this is where everything began to turn around for India. Then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi appointed Vijay Pandurang Bhatkar for the project. And upon meeting Dr. Bhatkar, Rajiv Gandhi had 3 simple questions to ask. Dr. Bhatkar, can we do this? How long is it going to take? And how much money will it cost? Dr. Bhatkar was clear in his responses. He said, I have not seen a supercomputer ever before, but yes, we can. It would take lesser time to build it ourselves than it will take us in trying to import a supercomputer from the US. And it will surely cost us less than Cray. 3 years after this dialogue between Rajiv Gandhi and Dr. Bhatkar, in 1991, India shocked the world and unveiled its first indigenous supercomputer known as Param 8000. And it was the second fastest supercomputer in the world at that time. Param 8000, India's first giga-scale supercomputer, was a multiprocessor machine benchmarked at 5 GFLOPS. Due to the low cost of Param 8000 and high efficiency it offered, America was forced to slash prices of its supercomputer, Cray. The Param 8000 was actually instrumental in setting the platform for a whole series of high-performance computers which came after it, called the Param series. The Param 8000 was noted to be 28 times more powerful than the same high-end computer that the Indian government was once requesting the United States for. Not only was the Param 8000 a success in India, but it was also exported to Germany, UK and Russia, among other countries. Param actually means supreme.